Hey quiz lovers! Welcome to Quiz Unicorn. Today it's time for a twisty challenge. Would you rather? Mystery Gift Edition. Think you can handle the surprises? Before starting, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification for more fun quizzes. Let's get started. Choose your bedroom, boy, girl, or the mystery gift. Magical Mickey Mouse Dreamland awaits! Choose your toilet, boy, girl, or the mystery gift. Hilarious! A Minion-themed potty palace. Will you choose the mystery gift this time? Insane! The world's most luxurious mansion. Choose your gaming chair, boy, girl, or the mystery gift. Throne unlocked, covered in diamonds. Choose your shoes, boy, girl, or the mystery gift. Flashy! Golden kicks that blind. Choose your bunk bed, boy, girl, or the mystery gift. Adventure unlocked, Mario-style dream bunk. Choose your ice cream, boy, girl, or the mystery gift. Whoopsie! Rainbow scoop hit the floor. Choose your pet, boy, girl, or the mystery gift. Eek! A sneaky little rat buddy. Choose a watch, boy, girl, or the mystery gift. Sleek style, a brand new Apple Watch. Choose your bathtub, boy, girl, or the mystery gift. Wild ride, a diamond-encrusted car tub. Choose one, left, middle, or right. Sweet! A mountain of holiday candy! Pick a burger. 1, 2, or the mystery gift burger. Whoa! A skyscraper-sized burger! Choose your inflatable pool. Boy, girl, or the mystery gift. Yikes! A croc-shaped surprise pool. Choose your gaming console, boy, girl, or the mystery gift. Welcome to VR Paradise. Choose your phone, boy, girl, or the mystery gift. Bling, bling, a golden smartphone. Choose your sauce, boy, girl, or the mystery gift. Spicy alert, wasabi firebomb. Pick a pizza, A, B, or mystery gift. Just crumbs. Someone got there first. Choose your pancakes, boy, girl, or the mystery gift. Tasty stack of chocolatey goodness. Choose your drink, Pepsi, Prime, or mystery gift. Surprise Classic, Coca-Cola Sparkle. Choose your breakfast, boy, girl, or the mystery gift. Crispy Waffle Heaven. Choose your Starbucks drink. Sparkly Rainbow Drink Explosion. Choose your porch. Cozy Vibes, Outdoor Screen Under Stars. Choose your home cinema, boy, girl, or the mystery gift. Movie Night Unlocked, Despicable Me 4. Choose your car. Which one is your choice? Zoom, a gold-plated race car. Choose your glasses, boy, girl, or the mystery gift. Snap, cracked glasses, not again. Choose your pool. Which one is your choice? Great choice. What would you rather choose this time? Shiny! A ruby ring fit for royalty. Choose your headphones, boy, girl, or the mystery gift. Uh-oh, totally busted headphones. Choose your plane, boy, girl, or the mystery gift. Surprise! It's a plastic toy plane. Choose your motorcycle, boy, girl, or the mystery gift. Vroom! Golden lightning speed bike. Choose your castle, boy, girl, or the mystery gift. Spooky surprise! Haunted castle chills. Choose your smoothie bowl, boy, girl, or the mystery gift. Oops, it was a prank bowl trap. Choose your refreshing drink, boy, girl, or the mystery gift. Fancy treat, tiramisu in a cup. Choose your gaming mouse, boy, girl, or the mystery gift. RGB Madness, rainbow clicker activated. Which side would you rather choose, left, middle, or right? Oh no, an ancient broken piano. So, how many mystery gifts did you dare to pick? Thanks for playing Would You Rather? Mystery Gift Edition on Quiz Unicorn. Be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more magical quizzes. Catch you next time, where more surprises await.